Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl TJ. I am back with another video for you guys today. Today I'm bringing you guys a video on how to bring some color into your life. If you're scared to dye your wig one specific color or a few different colors, you just want to test it out, you can use this method to do that, just to see what it will look like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So yeah, this is the same wig that I had and more in my prom video. If you guys did not see that, I will leave a link in the description section and in the video as well. Check that out. So yeah, this is the same wig. All details are in the description section below. We're going to start off by bleaching this little section with the Watercolor Charm Bleach and Developer. And the Developer is 40. So, yeah. Just wanted to make sure you guys knew that is my favorite bleach. And I swear by it. And I won't be using nothing else, because that's the only thing I find that works. So, with the bleach, you guys already know the rundown. Please make sure you are wearing your gloves to protect yourself, your skin. You don't want to get it burning or irritated. You don't want to mess that up, period. If you do, you have to wash it off immediately. Also, make sure your area is well ventilated. You do not want to be sitting in an enclosed space using bleach, because it can do damage such as with your eyes and your lungs, because you're breathing it in. So make sure the air is able to flow in and out. Open the door, open the window, do what you got to do. So yeah, as you guys can see, I took a little section and I'm just putting bleach on the section. Now, in order for you guys not to have to bleach the section 2 times, work in smaller sections, but you have to work at a pretty decent space, because the bleach does start to process pretty fast. So you don't want one side done and the other side is, so just remember, speed is key here. You don't want to take your time, because it processes so quick, especially with this Weller bleach. This bleach took good to the hair, y'all. What I'm saying, it took good to the hair. It took so good to the hair. I'm just making sure each section is properly saturated. You guys may see a lot of brown, because I was going to leave the roots brown and do the color, but I changed my mind. I'm always changing my mind right in the middle of the video. So I actually had to do this process twice. But as you guys can see, I'm pulling the hair apart, getting inside, making sure there's no brown patches or, areas that I did miss. But that's why I had to do it twice, because I did miss a lot of area. So I'm going to put this in the foil, since I have everything covered, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Please keep an eye on it. Do not ever just go away, leave your timer for 25 minutes and don't come back and check on it, because the foil allows it to process faster. It creates heat and it traps everything inside, which allows the bleach to process faster. So be sure you are checking on it. I did go in with my purple shampoo to wash the hair out, to get rid of any brassy, orangey tones. As you guys can see, there's a lot of different colors going on here, but I do have to bleach it again. There is an area that I did get bleach on, but you can go back and fix it or re-dye it a natural brown if you wanted to fix it. But I just left it that way, because I know I wasn't going to no longer, put this wig back up into a ponytail, but that is an option. Here are the dyes. Do not pay attention to the Adore Me, because I didn't use it. So POSEIDON and Marine, I did go ahead and mix those two together to get this color blue that you guys are seeing here. Well, not this clip. This is just the POSEIDON by itself. This first layer is just POSEIDON by itself, but the next couple of clips is going to be POSEIDON and Aquamarine mixed together. Now, the way I shot this, the camera angles was off, so you guys couldn't see the ombre effect that I was really trying to show you guys on how to do. And I know sometimes it's easier to see than someone trying to explain what you need to do. This is definitely beginner friendly, and I say this because this is my first time trying like an ombre effect. If I did it in the past, I don't even remember, but to my knowledge, this is my first time attempting on camera at that, the ombre effect. So basically I just started from the root and worked my way down, and I put the lightest color because I want the light to fade into the dark. You could do it the dark fade into light, however you would prefer, but I started with the lightest and worked down. I noticed an easier tip would to be also, once you get done each section, take a comb and comb through the hair, starting from the root to tip, because that ensures that the dye is on each strand of hair, and then it gives you a guideline to where you can see where you messed up, or you can see some of the patches that you missed. So that is key. I would say that if you're going to be dyeing your hair, that's the crucial step, especially when you're hand painting on the dye, to make sure you comb it through each section. That way you can see what needs to be added on. Now you guys see here, I'm taking the ARTIC box dye, I think it's in the color Colored Rain, and I'm blending that into the blue. In order to prevent having a harsh line, don't make a blunt line and just start after the blue ends. You want to start on top of it where it ends. And I don't know if that's making any sense, because like I said, it's easier to see, but the way the camera was set up, I didn't get it properly on how I blended the two. But I guess in other words, you can just say place where you stopped at on the blue, go up like an half or an inch or so, depending on how far you want to go up, and place it right on top of it. And then take your brush, your what is it called? I can't talk or find words. Take your brush and turn it, angle it sideways, and do strokes sideways, up and down. That way it would help it blend in better, if that makes sense. Hopefully I'm making sense, guys. I'm trying to make this, I'm trying to explain this as the easiest terms possible. So I really hope I helped. But after that, of course, I washed it again using my purple shampoo. No, I didn't use that. I'm sorry. I rinsed it out. I didn't use any shampoo. I conditioned it. But with the conditioner that I used, I was trying the new conditioner, and I noticed it did dry out my hair a little bit, and it wasn't as moisturizing and as silky as I would like it to be. So it's looking a little dry here, but we're going to fix it. It's always a way to fix anything. Okay? So I am going ahead and apply the wig. Now, I'm not securing the wig onto my entire head, because I'm just not. So this is a little tip too. You don't have to secure your wig all the way unless you're going to be outside in the wind or do anything where you're jumping, exercising and stuff like that. I wouldn't recommend it, because sis, no, it's not for that. So yeah, so this is the little secret. I'm just taking and gluing down the section I have the part in, not gluing down, spraying down with some hairspray the section that I took in the part, and I'm gonna place it on top of the cap. I'm using the cap, or placing it on top of the cap, because I'm trying to make sure any hairspray or anything is not getting on my edges. I'm in the process of regrowing them out finally. You guys know I've been battling my edges for a while, and it's because of the Ghost Bomb glue, I believe. It took my edges out and ain't been back since, to be honest. So I want to make sure I'm not putting that much product on my edges, so it can give them a chance to grow back and out. So yeah, so I'm just taking my baby hairs and swooping them, and like I'm doing like 3 or 4 baby hairs to be exact, because the way I'm styling it, you don't need to have the whole lace secured, or you don't need baby hairs going all the way around. So this is what I'm doing, taking the GOTHCU gel, then taking some hairspray, and then we just spraying her on down, and that's just pretty much it. So now we're taking our blow dryer on a cool heating setting, and we're just spraying it until it's dry. And then we're going to fix the baby hairs if it's not to our liking, and spray it again and dry her down. And then we're going to put our scarf on and let her sit for a good 10 to 15 minutes. So this is a crucial step as well, because it melts everything into your skin and it makes everything look so laid. Now we want our part to be visible, so I'm just placing some concealer on there. I have to say the ARTIC Fox did take to the lace, to the closure. So I did mess up that area of my lace frontal. I'm sorry, this is a lace wig. So I messed it up because the dye did take to it. If I'd known that, which I should have known it would, I should have just went ahead and sprayed the lace with the hairspray so it would harden and it would not stain. So that area is stained to that. So be mindful of that. Don't do what I did. But now I'm brushing out the hair, preparing to give her some curls. I took Chi heat protecting spray and my Moroccan argan oil and mixed the two together. If you guys didn't know, these two go hand in hand. This makes your hair so soft and so luscious and just so silky soft, and also it brings a lot of shine and moisture back to your hair, so she is not looking as dry as she was in the prior clip. So I'm just taking my flat iron on the setting of 410, and I'm doing some back curls that I'm later gonna comb out into these beautiful body wave curls. I just love this technique to those type of curls. But I have to say that this hair was so soft and silky after reviving it, because the conditioner did dry out certain areas of it. But as far as this hair holding up, I know you guys wanted to see how it's holding up so far. It's actually holding up pretty well. I've been wearing it every day since that prom video, and it's just been amazing. I have been getting shedding. I will be honest, there has been shedding. It's nothing too out there, but I have been receiving shedding. It's tangling, none. It's non-existent. I can't find any. I just saying, there's none. But I'm really loving how this color turns out. Y'all wouldn't believe how many compliments I gotten on this, because it was just, to me, it was just definitely different and unique. And I think I want to try this technique out on more if I'm trying like different and new colors instead of dyeing my entire wig. It's just something different. It gives you a pop of color without being, you know, over to the top, because I know some people don't like going all the way out their comfort zone by dyeing their hair like different colors. So this was an easier way. People loved it, and it was like, oh my gosh, the ombre effect, I see it, it's so beautiful, and I really love it too. So I really was proud of myself. And like I said, this is beginner friendly because this is my first time trying to ombre. And yeah, and back curls, just it just snatched it and just laid it. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought of this look. Do you think it's a yay? Do you think it's a nay? Would you try this out for yourself? Yeah, so now I'm gonna let my curls sit. You want to let your curls sit and cool off before you start manipulating and combing your hair. I did go back in and add more heat protecting spray, so it doesn't look like I let it sit, but I did. I just conjoined the clips together. And you want to take a wide tooth comb and go ahead and separate the curls. This produces beautiful, big, voluminous curls, and it's just gorgeous, and I love it. As you guys can see, and nice and flowy, and we just have loose, just beach body wave curls that are just so freaking pretty. So yeah, this is pretty much the conclusion to this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know again your thoughts. Give this video a thumbs up for me. It really helps me out. Share this video with your friends, your family, anyone that you think will benefit from this video. Let them know. Tell them to check me out. You know what it is. So yeah, all this information in regards to this hair will be down in the description section below. Also, if you haven't checked out the prom video, do that as well. It will be down there. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.